I'm Jake Shellito. This is my 1974 RD350. I bought this bike several years ago, stuck it in the corner, had some ideas in my head on how I wanted to do it, submitted a picture to Old Bike Barn for their Greasy Dozen build, and they picked 13 builders, and they give you some gift card help to buy parts and 5 months to build the bike. So I had an idea for an oil tank tail section, so I bought an English wheel and hand-built an oil tank tail section for it. It's got a Moon Eyes knockoff cap, recessed sight glass. The gas tank was from a 1975 Yamaha R5. I liked it better because it had the twist-off gas cap with the Yamaha logo. Front end's from a Honda Grom. Machined the stem to make everything fit. It's a stock headlight bucket that I added a pipe and then sheet metal to basically cone out the speedometer so it didn't look like a snorkel sticking out. Modified the headlight hanger, whatever you want to call it, and front forks and the front fender and the struts are all handmade. Added Brembo brakes with Brembo master cylinder. The exhaust is JL exhaust. They're tuned expansion chambers. It's got V-Force 3 reed cages with carbon fiber reeds. European RD350 disc brake hub, and then modified to hang the Brembo caliper on the stock swing arm. Had to have some modifications done. But yeah, I'm hoping to ride it a lot this summer. So thanks again to IMS and JMP Cycles for putting on this awesome show and letting us show off our bikes.